Oh, there's no camera. Yes, there is.
No.
Are you happy? Hello.
Hi.
Are you happy with the camera being now, by the way?
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool, I shouldn't get
Is
in the way.
everyone else fine with that? Because that's all that matters.
That's true. So, hello and welcome to our first live stream for a while, hasn't it? It's been a while.
We are very sorry we can't find time, but it's kind of late, but Happy New Year.
Yeah, it is Happy New Year. 2024, yeah.
Last time it was October?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
November, yeah.
We didn't do a November, we didn't do a December. Yeah, so... Yeah, we're back.
We are back.
It's been a while,
Yeah, it was our last one actually. It was the end of October. It was a Halloween special. Was our last one.
Yeah. If you go and saw that, you can go watch that but you can watch this one first. If you have seen our latest Fall Guys one. If you didn't know, it's been our best stream, right?
Yeah, our last Fall Guys stream was actually the most popular one.
Yes, and our latest one has been the worst.
Yeah,
kind of sad.
The Among Us stream, yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, I'm just gonna close. You gonna close that door for a sec?
Oh yeah, sorry.
It's all right. We're just prepping for the stream while people join us. Because at the moment is 0, so we're just talking to ourselves. But it's fine.
Well, for now.
Yeah, I'm just posting a link.
If you watch this after, just pretend we didn't say that we're at 0. Just pretend we did not say that.
Yeah, because we'll get thousands of people watching us, I'm sure.
Yeah.
I'm just putting the link up online, so
people can join.
Yeah.
So he's going to be a black chocobo. I'm going to be
So
this weird coloured computer. Also known, if you do play Fall Guys, called Dream Hardware.
Yeah, while we're waiting for people to join, I'll say why I'm a. Do you know why I picked my T-shirt and the chocobo?
Yeah, because.
Because why? Why do you think?
Oh yeah, I think if no one knew, if you played Final Fantasy and didn't know this, you probably wanted this.
Yeah.
So. Final Fantasy VII made Remake. Now it's made Rebirth.
Yeah, so it's a game I grew up with, really enjoyed. And when we were talking about doing this stream, originally, I said to Owen, I was like, we could do, just checking out we're on air. We could do a reaction stream to a demo that's come out of Final Fantasy VII Rebirth.
And I was like, no.
Yeah.
And there's a really...
There's a few reasons, really, where you said no. No, I think they're good reasons. So you tell people what your reasons were.
One good reason, I know there's swear words.
That's what I wanted to do. There are swear words, yeah.
So, really, I don't really... Yeah, so,
So just put music on so people listen to music. Yeah, go on. Yeah, go on.
And, others... I don't really play Peggy 6. I only play 1.
That's true. Well, you do. I mean, you've been playing bits of Remake and stuff with me, but the main reason you didn't want to live stream it, you told me, and it's a really good reason, is that because you guys are there. You can't join. It's a one-player game.
Yeah.
Whereas Fall Guys, if you want to join our squad and help us win some crowns, which is what we're at today.
Our goal is trying to beat Squad.
It is.
It's probably one of the most hardest game modes ever.
It's tricky,
Actually,
yeah.
I don't think it really is. It matters who we're with.
It does, yeah. I mean, you and I have been playing it for a while now, and it's basically.
Yeah. So.
It can be tricky in places.
Yeah.
It's all right. It's not like we're live, which is weird.
Oh.
So we're broadcasting, but I can't find us, which is weird. Ordinarily.
Okay.
Let's look at technical issues, guys. See, here we go.
Technical difficulties.
Oh no, we are online. There we go.
Okay.
It's like nobody's watching. But anyways, okay. Let me share this link.
Yeah. So we're going to try and win some crowns. If you want to join, feel free.
Yep.
We don't know what's on that stream is. We might do an Undertale one. Maybe. But, yeah, I think we're going to have a good stream. Our first one, 2024.
That's it. What I'll do, I'm just going to put the proper link in my chat.
Yeah, so everyone can access it.
Yeah.
You can access it now. It's public.
It is. There we go. Cool. I've had somebody said that at the moment they can't make it. They might join us later, so they might watch the stream afterwards, which is cool. So shout out to Auntie Kerry. Hello, Auntie Kerry. So my South Wales big sister from another mister. So hello, you're a big supporter of the stream. We always watch every stream, but you're a bit busy at the moment. So what we'll do? Shall we just get started? And if people join us. So are we just start? So what mode are we starting on? That's the question.
Wait, should we just have a look and see what's up? Like, go down, because I see some...
Ooh, and explore the adventures.
Should we just be mean and...
What? Do what? Do duos?
No,
yeah.
Pixelpalooza? Wait, should we try duos first?
Okay.
Because, like...
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, so, if anyone wants to join, there's one downfall. You can't join duos because...
No, but just send me a message on PlayStation. I'm Elmo5242, so add me as a friend, and
I am Mario Perform.
That's it. So add me on Epic or PlayStation, and I can add you in. That's cool.
We could add you because...
Yeah, so if you had enough players, we'd do custom lobbies and stuff, but we never do, so...
yeah, because and like, anyone who says Fall Guys is dead, that's a lie. They still make updates, so, like, if they still make updates, it's not dead.
That's true. Okay, here we go. So you see Owen's next to me, the pink computer he's got a little icon above his head, so you can see where he is at all times.
And I can see where you are.
Yeah, and I'm the black chocobo. So Owen's playing on a Switch at the moment. And that's another cool thing about Fall Guys as well. It's free, so if you have a Switch, if you have a PC, if you have a PlayStation, if you have an Xbox, you can download it for free and you can join in. Although if you've got a PlayStation or an Xbox, you have to pay a bit extra to play online, like any other online game.
But on the Switch, it isn't bad.
On the Switch, it's free, I think, as well.
Oh. Yeah, but...
Oh, no, it isn't. You have to pay on the Switch as well. Sorry. I forgot what I paid for there. I've paid for online on this and on the Switch. So I'm just behind Owen at the moment. Oh, he's going to go at the middle as well.
I don't care.
Oh, we just see him get smacked. And I got smacked as well.
Oh, I fell off.
Oh.
No, we got hit. That's not good. Uh-oh. We need to go.
Let's see, who's been playing this for longest, I wonder? Who's been playing it for longest?
You.
Misspent youth. Ah, no! But I fell there.
But what do you say, you person
who played the longest?
The game longer?
Well, I was just showing you what not to do, okay?
Okay. Alright, so hopefully we qualify.
We've got 21 points, I don't know how much.
And now I get 20, so that we would have...
Oh, we're 8th.
41.
We're 8th, we're going through, we're okay.
41 points.
Nice, we have.
Well, I can see because...
I'll drink to that.
So, only I can see if we're doing well. Well, I can see our points.
That's like an eye in the corner. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, yeah, we got through to the next round. Here we go.
Hopefully it's not too bad.
So for those who are wondering what is this game, what it's about,
like,
so...
What's going on? Why is everyone looking very cute?
Yeah, that's it.
I don't know if anyone...
Well, there are characters. So this is similar to a game called, a game show used to call It's a Knockout. So, or Total Wipeout. If you've seen that with the big red balls where you bounce on those, it's like a game version of that, video game version of that. So we all play characters.
And it can get annoying once you literally,
if you keep falling.
Once you start to just guys, if you play this so much and you fail, just try and don't get too angry so you rage quit. I have got...
Yeah,
I get quite angry.
We have had a discussion about maybe losing your temper and taking it a bit seriously.
Yeah,
but look, I just
it's kind of my fault.
Hey,
I kind of find that was a level that I wish never left the game.
Alright, what was that? What's your favourite level?
Prismatic 3.
Oh yeah?
Because then I could just do all my daily challenges. There's no problem.
Ah, but there's a way of cheesing your daily challenges now, isn't there?
I know.
We might show the viewers how we cheese our challenges.
Taken out of the game.
Yeah.
I don't need. We have not. We
have a watcher. Hello, whoever you joined, say hello. Write something in the chat. Introduce yourself. Pleased to meet you. I'm doing awful at the moment. Yeah. So I'm dressed as a chocobo in honour of Final Fantasy VII Rebirth, which is out at the end of the month. That's also why I'm wearing my Final Fantasy VII t-shirt. Yeah, we're also both off to a Final Fantasy convention in 2 weeks, which is very exciting.
Yeah, I've never been. It's like your first official and my first.
It is, yeah. That's it.
I'm going to qualify before the guy who played this game.
You're not going to let me forget.
You actually said that.
I did say that. You're not going to let me forget that, are you? I am doing awful at the moment. I'm stuck. Yeah.
Yeah,
unfortunately, you get stuck.
I don't think you probably see me, but if you see a computer that's like quite pink, that's me. You can also see me with a pink face. Why are you going backwards?
I'm not going backwards.
I thought you...
No. You confused me then. You confused me then.
I thought you were going backwards.
No, I'm not going backwards.
I was like, good.
I need to be top 11, so I need to get my skates on. Right.
Yeah, you literally do.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe not like jokes that I didn't get actually.
Yeah, I'm not going to go get roller skates on. They won't help. They're not going to help me get any better at the game.
No. They might make you slip a lot. Oh, someone else won.
Hello, next person watching.
Hello, number 2. Hello, person number 2.
Person number 2. So please, you can join us. So yeah, we're just having a bit of fun on Fall Guys. If you want to come and join us online, you can. This is cross-platform, so you can play it on Xbox or anything like that. I am doing awfully as a chocobo at the moment.
Don't say that. Don't say that. You might lose your confidence.
I'm trying to rep all the Final Fantasy fans at the moment. Yeah, they're like, oh dear, he's awful. He's awful. We don't want to watch this. This is annoying.
Like, oh my god, the kid's literally better than this guy. Wow.
That's all they're saying. The kid's literally better than this guy. Okay, here we go.
What's that?
2 people watching.
It's okay. Hello. I know why some of our streams, like, literally, this is just plain white. Like, actually, not white.
So I've just seen if there's anybody in the chat, but there isn't yet, so feel free, chat away, mystery viewer.
Say hi.
See, it could be your mum and dad as well, making sure we're not setting mischief. And, yeah. Like, oh yeah, that's it, man. They're online. So, so we've got the swiveler. So I either do really good in this or really awful. I'll either be out in the first 5 seconds or I'll do okay. So
what would happen? Oh my god, literally, I might go out in like the first second. Okay, if I just run.
If I can get past the first few obstacles like that, not like that. That's a bad way. If I can get past the first few.
I'm already dead.
Yep,
like,
that's going to be me very soon.
Every time I play this, I'm saying this now, and this is true. Every time I play this, I normally just go out in the first seconds or people are dead.
I'm out. I'm out. Oh, there we go.
I already went out.
Are you out as well?
You just need to watch.
Oh, watch.
You just need to hope for the best.
Okay, we're 5th at the moment. So
it's kind of my fault because my hand was actually...
It's not your fault, no, I went out as well.
Well...
Top 7 qualify, we're 6th at the moment. So really, we're just hopefully all these guys go out.
We're fine.
We're fine, right?
The person below us isn't moving.
Oh, that's true. So we're through, yeah. So I don't know. We're not willing always people to leave. So it's fall down.
You can say that.
Fall down, Tommy.
Oh, I'm watching Raph. Raph picking.
Oh! That happened to me, and he still stayed in. Okay.
Liane.
Oh! Tommy's out. Bye, Tommy.
I'm watching.
Oh yeah, Liane.
Yeah.
They're the only one left. So.
Oh my God, where are Liane? Are you good?
I think there might be, you know.
Yeah, they are.
Oh.
They used to it.
Oh yeah. I think they realise that. They're like, we're qualified to just dived on.
Is there any left? Oh.
Yeah, that's it. Might as well jump off. I've made it.
That was easy.
So, skin of our teeth.
But that could get stressful because I'm scared that we don't go in.
Right, so in top 7 block party, here we go. So we need to...
What version is this?
Oh, I'm not sure.
Because
so there's a game show called The Wall, and that's what this is like. Bring on the wall. We have to not get squished.
And also what I did, I went like crazy. I went like anime mode. Like, I went crazy on this.
Oh, we streamed last time. Yeah, you went to the top, didn't you?
Yeah, I was like going, I need to do this. Like, I went kind of... So yeah, if you didn't see this before, this is actually what it looks like.
Just gonna rock out while we wait for the wall. People keep hitting me now. Okay.
Oh my god! The person who made it last time is literally gone nuts. Gosh.
So we need to be in the top 4 this time, okay? So we
no,
have to last as long as we can without getting pushed off.
Smash your jump button. I literally just have to because I'm being grabbed too much.
Ah, right, okay.
Literally.
So, yeah, I can see you, yeah. Here we go. Ooh, around here. So, yeah, we have to last as long as we can without getting pushed off. So, squeezing it. Ah, see that person trying to grab us, but... see
I just smashed my grab button.
Oh, see, you could try and grab people.
No, no, I said I mashed my jump. I accidentally said grab, I meant jump. Because people just grab you.
Well, they do. They're trying to put you off, basically, so you get swept off.
Oh, I saw someone who's like wearing the cool Halloween beast costume.
Cool.
Whoa. Bow.
Yeah, see, so if you're wondering who I am, I'm the black chocobo, so chicken type thing.
Black boy.
I am. And I've got red tattoos of Moogles and stuff. It's quite cool. Cool costume.
Oh.
So I'm a goth chocobo, basically.
Oh, no.
I'm an emo chocobo. Right.
Boy.
Yep. That's my name. Right, okay. Right, wah!
That's a lie, your name is not emo boy, I know. You just said that.
They're my initials. If you're on YouTube, you'll know that.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah.
Oh,
right.
Guess what? We've made it.
Oh my god.
Yep.
Wait, we were first.
We were.
Yeah.
Woo-hoo.
Oh, apparently everyone went out.
So yeah, because Final Fantasy VII Rebirth's coming out, all the YouTube influencers got a button to press. When you press it, it goes da 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 da. And it looks so awesome. I was like, I want that. It probably costs a fortune though. But I do want that. It's really cool. It says victory on it. You press it. Yeah. Oh, it's old school. Old school's Final Fantasy VI. Da, 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 da. I don't know. I've never been to Rotation Station before. Have you?
No.
Ooh.
Holy
moly!
Guacamole!
It's like OnlyFans.
It's okay. I think I got rotation.
Whoa. Okay.
Whoa. I'm already at 7 checkpoints. This is a weird level. Oh, this is actually kind of cool. This is a really cool level.
Oh, there's a checkpoint. Right, I wonder where the checkpoint was. I just failed.
Alright,
just checkpoint.
Just went to a needed checkpoint. You do actually need them. And you need patience in this level.
Oh, right, okay. You're going to teach me about patience.
No, I'm just saying that. Like, you actually do in one
You are right. You do need patience in this level. It's tricky because,
I'm already at the end.
Oh, you really? Wow,
Yeah,
okay. So,
oh, you got to be kidding. That is mean.
Ooh.
That is cool.
Oh, I glitched there. No. Right, okay, now I'm going that way. I see. I see.
No! Oh my...
I'm in a checkpoint, and I can see you.
Yeah, I'm literally right here. Wait, what?
Ah! Oh.
Yeah, no!
Got on the edge.
I'm so upset.
Well, there you are. Okay.
Okay, I'm through. We just need... I think I kind of want you to...
Oh. We're through. Just. That was lucky.
I'm fine.
Overreaction much. Goodness me.
Take it easy.
Goodness me. Are you been an American YouTuber, Davey? So, we're through! Oh my god! Oh, we're in the final! We're in the final! Oh my goodness, we could win! I'm not going to win, alright? I'm rubbish at this. So.
Don't say that.
I'm being honest because I'm not good at this at all.
I can suck too. So
yeah, well there we go. So
if we win the first pick, we're like, okay, stream's over.
Stream's over. Okay.
We might be right.
See, I've already gone the wrong way, which is not a good idea.
Yeah. You're supposed to go forward, not backwards.
Well, no, it's a case of it's either left or right because it's which way it rotates.
Just run around sideways like a headless chicken.
No, well, that's handy because I'm sort of a chicken. I'm a chocobo, so like a headless chocobo. Unfortunately, we're up against quite decent players here.
We're up against some sweaty people.
Sweaty people? How do you know sweaty?
Because they're good. Two people aren't. Two people, they're kind of... I'm in between zones.
Me too. Highway to the danger zone. I'm out. Oh, wait, that's it. We're both out straight away.
I went too far.
Well, do you care who wins? Shall we leave, or shall we watch who wins?
No, I left.
You've left. Okay.
Guys, I'm telling you a hint. Every time you play Hexaring, do not go straight forward.
Wow. Did I get all the challenges in one go? That's crazy. Nice. Okay. Yep. Some more shards. Because I've got over level 40, I don't really get many cross-stream bits now. It's mostly they're called crown shards, so they're parts of crowns. And I'm up to level. What did I get? Ooh. I got a pattern. Nice. Okay. Cool.
Was it worth it?
Well, why not? It's free, Sort of dotted colour look, so it's like that.
Yeah.
I'm not going to wear that now, but
No.
Okay, so we stick with duos, or are we moving on? What we're doing?
Well, maybe once people join us, that's when we might score.
Okay, but in the meantime, we'll stick with duos. Cool.
For now, we might go to Pixel thingy.
A duo, a twosome, so many lyrics I'm trying to use them. So many lyrics we keep them in store. We can go coming out of our pores. Your father, your mother, your sister, your brother. Everyone's got to be an AKA lover. Do you know who sang that? You'll never believe me in a million years who sang that.
No.
Anton Deck sang that. He did. He did when they were PJ.
You're joking?
No, when they were pop stars, Anton Deck. They sang that. Anybody older watching this, probably nobody's going to know that what I've just said. And they're going to go, no, they didn't. But ask your mums and dads, and ask your aunties and uncles, and ask if they remember PJ and Duncan, because that's what they were named. That's what they called themselves when they were singing.
I'm dead.
There you go.
How long is this going to take?
I don't know. They found a match, but
10 years later.
Well, I could always quit and try again. Do you want me to quit and try again?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, also, guys, I just want to say this. If you play with someone, if you're in a lobby with two, you're one and there's another person, you have a 100% chance of having a full team in duos. You have it works now. Gate crash. I will crash a gate. Literally, you crash into gate.
You do? Well, if you play it badly with this one.
Yeah!
It's not like DoorDash. See, I think DoorDash,
yeah,
a level on this, should be called Gate Crash, because you crash through the doors.
No,
but this
door crash.
It should be called Door Crash, or, the door...
Or door bash.
Yeah, or door bash. You bash into them, innit? With this one, you have to avoid them. So you have to avoid crashing into these, so maybe or dash to get past them. So maybe this should be DoorDash. Someone's grabbed me and tried to mess up my jump, but you didn't succeed, you evil lobster.
No, it should just be called Gate Dash.
So, the evil lobster from SpongeBob.
It's Mr. Krabs!
It is, right, okay, it's Mr. Krabs from SpongeBob.
Please respect your cartoon.
Okay, please respect my cartoons. Okay, Mum. I'll respect my cartoons. Ooh. Oh no!
Yeah. Easy. Oh, someone joined again.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello there, General Kenobi.
Can we start with the names now?
Never! No.
Oh, someone else joined. I think one's probably our mum and dad. And probably some.
Yeah, one's your mum and dad. One's my mum. That's probably that's probably who it is.
Maybe.
It could be.
So we'll always have 2 viewers on our stream.
Maybe.
Oh, so
It's your dancing, it's your fault. I'll blame you. Stop it with the memes, please. As someone once said.
Slide, I'll stop.
Slip sliding away. Right, here we go. Oh, I'm right behind you. Whee!
Very laggy on mine.
Oh, you're on the Switch, bless you. You're on the Switch Lite even, it says. Yeah.
Well, I think
Hashtag just saying.
Switch Lite is better.
Oh, alright, fighting talk.
That's actually true. But it does kind of suck if you want to play on telly. Ow!
Yeah, that's true.
I got hit in the face.
Oh dear. Is that because of what you said about the Switch?
It's probably not.
Was it Mr. Krabs attacking you?
No.
He tried to attack me.
He's right by me.
Oh no, that was an awful jump. I tried to get over there and tried to get to the shortcut and it's not working.
It's kind of hard. Just go.
Yeah, go normal way. Okay.
I just did it.
Yeah, I'm on my way. Nearly there.
Ow!
If I'd have got to the shortcut, it would have worked.
7.
Yeah, no, I don't know if I'll get there in time.
8.
We made it.
We're 6. No, we're 6.
Cool.
We were 6. Nah, and we got silver. I'm ahead of you.
I know. You were ahead of me.
No, like faster. My Switch is going faster.
Oh, right. Oh, yeah.
I don't know. That's odd.
It is odd.
But also, like, the colours are a little bit worse on this because that thing's got perfect colours. This, not really.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, you got to be kidding.
Oh, no, too close.
This one, you just have to be brave. Or you just could be mean and just try to grab people and push you back.
There's a third way, and there's a brave way. Like I said, the brave way, just go for it. There's the cheating way, you grab people, throw them off.
And then
Or
there's
there's the sneaky way, which is what I'm going to do now. Watch.
If there is one.
Yeah, see what I'm doing, viewers? See what I'm doing? I'm sort of waiting for all these foolish people to throw themselves off until they've nearly found the whole way, and they have, and then I'm going to join them.
That is literally... I thought it was using Eater.
Oh, you could use Eaters as well.
No!
Yep.
I'm out. But yeah, we're going out.
Are we going out?
Right.
Well, I don't know. Oh,
Yeah,
you're the wrong way.
Right.
Never mind. It's taking about the count. You jump over there, and then you go up there and across, and up there and across. Oh, you're going to finish there at least. You get some points. Oh, we're through. There we go.
Oh, that was so close.
Woohoo!
So close, but going yet so far.
So I was looking at chat, and you got one person watching. So whoever you are, thank you for watching.
Yes, and can.
I'll drink to that.
If someone tries to join us, you are free. It's free. You can join us whenever you want. You can leave whenever you want. Sometimes I just forget what to say.
It's all right.
Like sometimes when I was going to tell someone something, it was like, yes, and I was like in SpongeBob, where Patrick goes, I'll take
So this one as well, you can be sneaky and let everybody else do all the work, and
yeah, you just do nothing.
But that's.
But you do need to be good.
Oh, see, I would have jumped there then. You're making the jumping easier for yourself. I could have made that. Right, okay.
Ow!
We need to go up there, don't we, guys? Can you make it? Yes, you can.
Yeah.
Oh, that was an
Alright,
awful
can I
jump.
do that? I take the lead! Yes, I'm not here.
Are you in the next bit, are you? Okay.
No, I'm not.
Oh man, I'm doing awful now. There you are. Okay, where are you?
I was back down.
Oh, people finished already, yes. Ah, man. No.
Wait, what? Oh, well, I thought like I made it.
Somebody's made it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Few.
In fact, two people have made it. So.
What? Oh, yeah.
Oh, I can't believe I messed up then. Okay. Okay. That's it. Okay, now get out of that. There you go. Made it.
Oh. Yeah. Yeah.
I don't know where that leaves us though. Oh, fourth. Okay. Do you know how to get there? Yes. You jump up there, then you jump up there, and you dive, jump there, and then jump there. That's it. And then up there, and that's the end. That is the end. Hey, cool.
Yay! We did it! We did it! We did it!
So again, is this the final countdown? Yeah. So what's the final? Jump showdown. Jump showdown. Here we go. So again,
I'm actually quite good at this.
Oh, so you're saying it now? You're saying it now, and then you like go out in 5 seconds. So don't. Yeah.
I am though. Only if someone grabs me.
I have faith in you. I can guarantee someone will grab you though.
There's no fans.
No, there isn't.
Okay, so I actually kind of looks worse on Twitch.
True.
Uncle, you know what I just do? I get rid of the sides.
Get rid of the sides. What do you mean?
So like I get rid of the sides. Yeah, I'm kidding.
It's not up to you though, is it? No, what I'm saying is, it is random. Yeah.
It's randomized. Hopefully the sides on there because I will be very annoying.
Oh, I'm having very close calls at the moment, by the way, over here. Because...
No!
Oh, you want? Oh, you fell.
I don't even make that. It's just really hard. Can you win?
I doubt it. I really doubt it. I am not good at this at all. But, yeah.
Don't say that. Don't say that. I don't want you to lose your confidence.
I've had lots of... Oh, see, I was grabbed, but he got out as well. So karma, mate, karma. But yeah.
I hate grabs.
I was fourth. Never mind.
This game just makes me... Grabs is literally just the thing that makes you want to die. Like, I hate grabs so much.
I'm not doing bad with the challenges, I have to say. Nice. This is... Oh. Cool. Alright, so I just need to play 4 more shows. Win a show. Oh, well, we can choose that. Shall we choose that now?
I guess so. Just need to check if it's still on the game. I'll go check if it's still on the game. Whoa. Yep.
Yep. So, if you're watching...
It's still there.
What's under prank? Yeah, it is. Oh, no. That's different. That one, prank.
No, it's in recent hits. It's at the bottom. Very bottom.
So it is. I saw it then.
It was, yeah.
So...
It's the most, probably the easiest level in the world.
It is. So if you want to cheese it and go through your challenges really quickly.
Just play this a million times.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe not. Because what we just do, we just play this like 25 times.
Yeah. It'll be interesting who's going to win, so I've not raced you before.
Wait, what if it's only one that wins?
Yeah, no, it's only one that wins, so yeah.
Oh no, we can both.
Hey.
So we just do this another 20.
Are you a winner, are you? Alright, you both won.
No, we both win.
Oh, okay. You just have to enter it to win. See what I mean? So there we go. It's we're not.
Never take your win. It's been like so long
Yeah.
since you said.
So right, okay. What shall we try now? What do you want to do? Shall we do squads or Pixelpalooza? You like Pixelpalooza?
Let's just be annoying.
We like Pixelpalooza because it's about drawing. You have to draw pictures, don't you? So.
Yeah, but people are bad off in the game. Seriously, it's true. I don't like Pixel Paint. It's a cool round. It's used to be a paired with. It's all down to that.
It is.
If you have people who do the right thing, you're fine. If you just do be people who literally mess you up, yeah, you're dead. Like both guys, we wish we were with both two. Two of them would be us. But both guys are working together.
Mm-hmm.
Four guys, but people just go on this for fun. And just
see, it puts us in the same group. That's the interesting thing. We could be in different groups, you know.
We're in a group of four. No, we're in a group of three. We're in
a group of three. Okay. What do we need to draw? Oh, right. Okay. So, yeah. Well done, mate. Well done. Oh, I'm not being very helpful. I am. Ah. That's it. Right. What's the next one? Oh, right. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
I feel you. Like, I'm not even doing anything.
Alright, okay, so it's 2. That one. Yep, next one. Okay.
What? Okay, well, isn't bad.
That's it. Let's do the bottom. Oh, no. Yeah, well done.
Really, we have a good man.
I'm just being the manager, I'm just like, yep, you do it. Oh, right, okay. Eyes. Oh, right, oh, well done. Yeah, okay. There's one block there. No, oh, nearly. There you go.
Whoa.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Good.
Let's get the corner.
No.
We there?
Wow, that was really
there we go.
easy. We're good. Oh no, we're set.
We'll be set.
Electro tiger. I'm watching a team that's got 3 points. I've got a rainbow giraffe. It's a real rainbow giraffe.
Nice. We did alright there. Whoa, so it's just between us two now. Oh.
Well, that was a little bit insane. Like.
So it's like a final with just us two, right? Okay. So can we do this? Can we do this?
Oh, just that's raised, I guess. Should we just, because we're a really good team.
Mm.
Only if it just has 2 qualifiers.
Well, no, I think this is the final. I think. So it's just 2 of us, isn't it? So the first one to do quick on the draw wins. So we go. Ready?
It's the first.
Top 2 qualifier. Okay. Right. Oh. Okay. So it's the middle 3. And it's okay. And there's that one there. Oh, there's 2. We need to get rid of that one. It's not. No. That's it. Alright, okay. Oh. No, that's right. Hang on. Oh, it's the edges, guys. So there's that in the middle. Is that in the middle? Is that the other side? Or what's? Oh no, it's not that in the middle. Sorry. There we go. We got there at the end.
We might not.
Well, we don't know how the others are doing yet. Right, 1, 2. So. Oh. Okay.
It was that square. It's like, oh.
Arrows. Okay, middle first. Why is it timeless?
They won.
Oh, they won. Oh well, still, you know, I think...
we tried.
We did, we got second.
If we had a third guy, I mean a fourth guy. Hey, yo, what's that Doge?
Yeah.
What's that? Is that a Doge?
I think so. A Doge.
Or a Doge.
Well, we won a show, and we've got 2 more shows to play, so, right. Nice. So, what shall we do next?
Should we just do squads for fun?
Yeah, of course.
Just because why not?
Why not?
We might die.
We might die, but you know.
I mean,
but that is a risk I'm pleased to take.
Are you sure? Are you sure about that?
I'm sure.
Are you sure you want to die?
Are you sure you're sure?
In this game? In this game you can fall.
No.
But in real life, yeah, you're kind of out.
Yeah, yes. A real version of this would not be good. I think it'd be, you know, you'd end up in hospital.
But you just like fake it. It's like an obby. You can just retry.
Yeah.
It would just have like a floor beneath that color, and you pretend that you respawn.
Ah.
Pretend.
You pretend to respawn. So, we're in squads. It's just 2 of us at the moment. So, some fruit. How good are counting?
I normally just don't pay attention.
No, see, you need to pay attention.
I just follow everyone. I'm a sheepy.
So the other person, it's quite easy to trick. You're like, ooh, it's definitely this, and they follow you, and you jump on another one at the last minute. But let's count.
Well, I'm the one. I just stand on that platform. I don't count. I don't really do anything. I just watch.
So if we're an American influencer, it'd be I've got to count. What's happening? Oh, what's that? It's giant coconuts. Oh. So it's 1 coconut, and then just 1 coconut. Is that all? 1 coconut. So it is. No, get on there. Get on there. That's it.
Jump on your head.
No, don't push me off. There you go. You fell off. There you go. So there's 3 coconuts. Oh, 3 bananas. All right. Oh. I didn't see any bananas.
I saw bananas.
Did you?
Yes, I did.
Okay. Right. Okay. Now that's better.
Dragon fruit.
So 3 of those, 2 dragon fruit, 3 dragon fruit.
What's that?
I don't know.
Is that kiwi?
It's a woolly bear. No, not woolly bear. Woolly bear. Someone once called the kiwi a woolly bear. Right. Okay. I'm in trouble because I didn't count them properly.
Oh god. Hello.
4 what? Was it 4 coconuts?
People are jumping on.
They're jumping on the coconuts. So like, I hope they're not following me because I hadn't got a clue. That was lucky.
I just run. 1 2 magnets.
Yeah. There's 2 bananas, 3 bananas. 1, 2,
4 pairs.
4 pairs. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. No. Stop grabbing me!
Yeah, they're trying to push you off, aren't they?
No, it's annoying.
3 what? Ooh.
It was 3
bananas.
Oh yeah. Are you not? We got first.
Yeah, we did. We did get first.
I hate crab. In rounds out of survival, I just.
Although I think someone tried to grab me and I fell in, so I was like, karma. That's what you get.
What's that?
Karma, so it's like, if you do bad stuff will happen to you, so that's like karma. So that's what it's called.
Why is it always a terror round?
Yeah.
Wait, why is it only be survival?
I don't know, it's just the way it is.
I guess today's survival day.
It is.
I guess we have to be survival of the fit.
It is.
Yeah, we're gonna probably all survive.
So before we just try it, okay.
Probably. This is
just
very easy.
one rhino, and there's no... Is there fans? No, there's no fans either, is there? So what I try and
run
do...
to his back.
Yeah, see, that's my tactic. My tactic is try to follow him. So if you try and follow him, you can't crash into...
Follow Mr. Marino.
Yep, following the leader, following the leader. Show me age, right, okay. That's it. Following the rhino's butt.
Hey, yo.
He's not got a butt copter though. That's what Tails has got. Tails got a butt copter.
Imagine if there's like a horse, there's like extreme mode, he literally can fly.
Yeah, that would be... Yeah.
That would just be brutal.
Flying rhino, dive bombing into you. Whoa.
Like, none of us would win out.
See, you said that. You said that, and look what happened to me.
Oh my god.
Yeah, see, you said...
I should have said that.
You should, yeah, see?
This is why you should stop talking.
Where are you? There you go. Shall I follow you? I'll follow you. There you go. So you're on a big screen. Oh, you made it.
I was being a froggy.
No.
But it's just me being a froggy.
See, everybody else stayed in. It's just me that went out. But we're down to the final 4.
It's the final countdown.
Doo-doo. So what's next? Oh, penguin pool party. Okay.
I'm not great at this.
To find penguins and hug them. Don't let anybody else hug them. Just me.
You can sound like a mean person.
That's what you do. You just hug them. Don't let anybody else hug them.
No, you
They're
steal
my
them.
They're my
Steal
penguins.
them.
Yeah, at least I'm not going to eat them. Pick up a penguin and the chocolate bars they are. Where are you, little penguin? Let me grab you. No one else grab. There you are.
I see loads.
Yeah, there's loads, but you know, can you grab one? No. There you go. It's mine. Don't make me throw him in the air. He's my friend.
You're a teammate, guys. I'm just hiding behind a frog.
Yeah. So we have to hold him in total for like 55 seconds.
I'm holding it and hiding.
Good idea.
Mr. Crab sees me. I'm running.
Hey, leave my teammate alone. Leave my teammate alone. That's it. Oh, we're all teammates.
Mr. Crabs, don't steal it. Mr. Crabs stole it. All eyes on Mr. Crabs. There's nowhere to run now. I'm just taking the high ground.
Ah, taking a high ground. Oh, we're out. Never mind.
What? How? I don't get it. How did only one qualify?
No, because the other teams held on to them for longer. And we were like 15 seconds adrift, I think. 38, so we're 17 seconds adrift. Oh, hang on, I didn't quit. I don't want to watch the final round, so I don't mind. I'll quit. Right, let's quit. There we go.
Yeah, I think that's probably my new least favorite round.
Right, what do you want to do next? Do you want to go back into squads, or do you want to try something else?
We're going classy.
What's that?
Casual rumble.
Casual rumble. Okay.
Casual.
That's every person for themselves, though, so it means...
I know,
Yeah.
but I'm being classy.
Oh, okay. How's
know.
that classy?
It's just, I don't know. I don't have a classy voice. Yeah.
Okay.
I don't, well, it's classy, it's classic, the round. Oh, the golden godhood.
No.
It's when you want stuff in this game.
It is.
It's when you get too tempted.
Oh, it's all the way over there. I'm not going to get that. But I'll go there. So you plan in advance which one you're going to go for. We both went for the same one. Oh, I can't believe that. I can't believe you got the one in front of me.
Someone already got the gold too.
Yeah, I was going to say, that was quick. I knew it is over there. So there's 2 there, so I can get up to there. Oh, that's you again! You keep saying, stop, go for hoops I want to go for.
And and I wish this was swapped. I'm just stealing all the hoops that you get.
You are. Leave me alone. Let me get them.
Fine. I'm getting number. I'm getting the gold hoop. I'm through.
You through.
Yep.
I heard that then. I heard the ding of you go through.
I think I'm second actually.
You're gonna watch me do miserable now.
You're doing not bad. I say that.
You say that, and he's not bad. Yeah, he's only got one. He's gonna fail miserably.
It's okay because there's two.
Gold hoop. Thank you. Get me up there. Oh no!
No. Golden. You got.
Yeah, you got
it.
You got there.
Where is it?
Awesome. There you
At
are.
least get two. It's 4 of qualified out of 19, so there is a chance you actually might get it. And it's because I think I had like 3. Ooh. Then 2 left. We'll get the gold.
Oh. Missed.
Yeah, maybe go up there.
Yeah, thinking that.
Just people are trying from there. Well, they get the gold too, you get normal food. Just,
What's wrong?
if you have to, just go for the gold food. 6 left.
Yeah.
6 have gone through out of 18, so like, you only need to get 2 white ones. Just go there. Oh, yeah. No! You were so close. I'll play when 7 people qualify.
I don't think you'll need to because they're all
Oh,
good
now
hoops.
and now you'll be 8.
There you go.
If anyone got at least someone's got 4. Someone's got 4. I'm watching a 4 guy. I'm watching Golden Snake. That's what I call it. A hem devil. This guy's literally just called that. So, yeah. What do you guys want to talk about?
No, I mean, yeah, let's check and chat. There's no one. We still have that one viewer. This could well be me. I don't think it is me though. Yeah. So let's wait for them to go through. So I'm usually awful at Hoopsy Legends. But it looks like there's a lot of new people on today, which is unlucky.
So
Quite
not
lucky.
everyone's going to qualify. 7 seconds are left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
This is new.
What time limit?
No, like, I didn't. Normally, everyone qualifies on this.
Not everyone. It does eliminate some people.
Mainly, but this is. I've never. This is.
Oh wow!
Wow.
Final already.
2 levels.
Mm.
And it's also an old school level.
It is. Yes, it's one of the first.
It's an old school final.
It was one of the second. Was I think season 2 this came in. It's one of the oldest finals.
No, season 1.
No, because season 1 the final was Fall Mountain.
And this.
Was it?
Yes, it was.
Okay.
It's season 1 theme.
Oh, it is.
Season 2. I don't even remember the season 2 final. Ow.
Safe.
Ow! Wait, what if the timer goes down?
Is there a timer?
No, there is. There's no.
Oh, I can't see because the camera's in the way of me. See.
It just says 28 seconds.
It's counting up or down?
It's coming down.
Oh, okay. Whoa. Oh dear me. It should be able to last at least 28 seconds.
8 seconds now.
Okay. Oh, 4, 3, 2, 1. No.
That was an odd round. I
Oh.
would have fell to my death.
Yeah, me too. But I won. There you go. Cool. That's nice.
So we both won. Did we both win a crown?
I don't know. I don't think that was the prize for this. It's 10 shards. Yeah.
That was worthless.
It's not worthless, it's worth 10 shells.
How much did that help?
Well, it came, 1/6 of the way through. So there we go. So, what do you want to play next? See, challenges. So, right, I've done the daily ones, the weekend ones, daily challenges. Okay. Red envelope. So I'm guessing that I need to do those tomorrow. Red envelope challenges.
And then the day after, and the day after, and the day after.
Okay, that's cool. What's that? Oh, it's the pink cherry blossom. Yeah. Cool. Okay, so what level do you want to try next?
What did we do? Like, what have we not done yet?
We've not done squad scramble.
Let's do that.
Okay.
This isn't bad. Oh, sorry. Max, I don't want to go shopping. You can have your money back, game. I don't like to go shopping. Lily Leapers meant to be free. I guess it's version 3.
Yeah.
Or is it like...
Alternatively, Leapers for new gameplay, have fun, probably not updating this anymore. Alright, okay.
Whoa! Yeah, custom music and everything. Oh yeah, War is now the voice. Yeah, that's
See, another thing on Paul, guys, if anybody's watching this afterwards, is you can make your own levels. So this is obviously designed by somebody. Whoa. Oh dear. So yeah, someone made this level, and they made it pretty tricky as well, those things.
I'm still stuck on the void part.
Most of it's a void part, if I'm honest.
No, like, with where you have to go with the slide.
Oh, right, okay.
No! It literally... You can't jump. It literally... This level is just me. The slide part... And they made, like, custom checkpoints.
They have, yeah. Which is quite cool. Oh, okay.
And, like, custom... Did I just say end? Is it end? No. Green. Oh, it said remix. Oh, that's just mean.
This is tricky, actually.
Oh, this one's just weird. We're very close together.
Yeah. That ending is... See, when it comes to normal Lily Leapers, I usually go up the sides, I don't go down the middle, but this is
literally down the middle.
This is always down the middle, yeah.
It's not the end.
Isn't the end? It is.
I did it.
Oh, well done. And you got us through. And that was it. Oh, okay. Just one level.
Yeah, that's what Squad Scramble is.
Oh, right, okay. I thought it was like multiple levels now.
Really?
Nice. Okay, got some shards. Okie dokie, so what else?
Let's just do Unexplored Adventures.
Unexplored Adventures? Okay.
Good luck. Good luck.
Good luck.
I do actually wish you good luck, but I do actually kind of want to win. It's fair.
It is fair.
Because you want to win, I want to win.
That's true.
We might just do solos and just try and get a crown from that.
We could do.
All Carnival.
Oh. Final round. Red ball, bounce and zoom your way through the gauntlet. Use a new bouncy ball. This is by Tazmac 2. Alright, Tazmac 2.
Hopefully it's not too
Your
bad.
multi-flavour bean. Bertie Bott's every flavour bean. Do you taste like earwax? Says Dumbledore.
Wait, what?
Did
he actually say that?
Dumbledore. Yeah, he did.
Dumbledore.
Dumbledore.
If anyone knows that,
Yeah, if you know that, then you have my respect. Snape. Severus. Oh man, I can't get past that first bit. Snape. Severus. Snape. Yeah, well, yes. Okay. Really. There we go. Made it.
Wait, I actually think I played this.
Have you?
I think I actually might. I have.
Well, that's not very good. No, it's very good that you played it. I'm going to say what I just did was not very good.
Oh.
Snape, Severus, Snape, Dumbledore.
Do you remember this level with the pinball?
I've never been in. I've never done this level, I'll be honest. What, you carrying me? Thank you. There's someone else carried me then as a ball. I was a ball and you carried me. I don't know you could do that. Alright, okay. So let's... See, I like Sonic Spinball, right? I like some pinball games, but I'm not liking this level. It's not making it easy. I know that's the point, but give me some flippers. That's what you need to do. So you have to go onto the side so it pushes you up. Or you can do it this way. Or you can do it that way.
Okay.
Oh, no. Can you see the frustration in my face, viewers? I think you can.
I know.
You don't. Well, you're focused on your game, which is fine. But oh my goodness, who made this level?
You want to go to their house and kill them?
No, not quite that strong, no.
Okay,
But I do want to go to the house. What are you doing with your lives? Go outside, touch grass, man.
Yeah.
Touch grass. No, instead of me playing games and I'm 40. But you know.
Oh, I made it through. Oh my god, don't tell me this is just.
So, right, now go up. Now where? Oh, no, middle.
I'm spinning! Right
Nowhere.
down, yeah.
No! Oh, that's the thing, you're all the way down. Oh! What's this? What's this?
It's a ball, boy!
I'm a chunky boy. That's wrong on so many levels. Oh, what's down here? It's like shortcuts and stuff. Okay, I take it back.
I'm done.
I take it back.
I'm done.
Yeah, I take it back. I'm not going to come to your house and murder you. I want me to. But I found the shortcuts and stuff, which is quite cool. So, yeah.
Oh.
So there's a shortcut in the pinball bit. So I went.
What was it?
So it's like, you go into this tunnel and you come out the other side. It's like the end of the mist bit. Ooh, nasty. So
Very bad.
That's what they say in Nightmare. No, nasty. Oh, I'm out.
I did it.
I'll watch you now and backseat drive you. Oh no, that's it. Okay, that's you. You're a monkey getting bananas. That's you winning.
It's just more. It's a funny winning mode.
See, I don't know what he's doing yet, viewers. They're like, what is he doing? He's just climbing all over that sofa. Like he really is a monkey. That's what he's doing. Right, okay. Okie dokie.
What do we do now?
I don't know. Do you want to try solos?
Yeah.
Going solo.
How long have we been doing this for?
Our entire lives. No, just under an hour.
Oh, so it's like almost.
Yep, just over an hour.
Oh. Should we do it for a little bit more?
Yeah, we've got a bit longer.
Alright, I guess I know what we're doing.
What's that?
We're going to try and see if you can win solos, then I can win solos.
Okay.
That's a challenge. We could have just stopped this whole stream. But we're not boring. You don't know what that means. You will now torch of a light of hard. What? Why did it
Short
have
circuit.
to be this?
So what was that reaction then? Was that an American YouTuber then? You're doing it wrong. It's short circuit, it's short circuit. I'm going to do rubbish at this, I'm tall. I'm not short, you're short. You're going to do good at this. You're going to do this. And a circuit means you run round in circles. So you're in circles. Oh my god, what is it like this? I'm so dizzy flying around. Whoa! I'm flying around in a circle.
Can you please stop?
Oh my god!
Can you please stop?
You like those videos? You watch those? I'm jumping! Oh my goodness! I'm jumping again! What's this? Oh, it's gone very bad. I'm going warp speed. You know that's how they talk, isn't it? I'm gonna hit by the laser. Oh no! I'm falling over! I'm falling over again. I'm running around like a headless chicken because I'm a chicken.
What?
I'm a chocobo, and I'm just got chopped off. That is true. This is a slow one. Oh no, this is the.
No, it's not. Oh,
this is slow. I'm a slow crow.
You're slow, bro.
Yeah, slow bro. That's
You're
it.
slow, bro.
You're slow, bro. Gotta go fast.
Gotta go slow, bro.
I'm chasing a giraffe.
No, don't take it easy. Take it hard.
I'm stuck. I'm lost. Oh my goodness me. I'm gonna be eaten by Baldy. He's gonna hit me with a ruler and teach me maths. I don't know.
What? I don't watch that content.
You don't watch that content.
No,
That's true. You don't watch Baldy. No.
It's a weird game.
It is a cool game.
It's weird.
It is weird.
I know that. I'm just. Why did he hit you with a ruler?
I don't know.
It's just weird.
Guess what?
What?
Screaming like a YouTuber work because I won.
Okay.
You go, you're so dizzy. Oh my goodness. I will never get off here for the rest of my life. There you go.
Well, it's fair because. Wait, did you get first?
Yep.
Are you kidding me?
Nope. I'll see you in a minute. I'm serious.
Are you sure about that?
Are you sure about that?
John, wait, was that a rock or ground?
Oh,
Yeah!
wow, nice.
Nice move. Someone just left.
First place. Nice. You watch now, I'll probably go out next round. Unless I... Oh, no, but I forgot, I'm supposed to react, aren't I? Oh my god, I got through! How did I get through? That person got eliminated, but I got through. Oh my god. Tiptoe! You have to tiptoe on your toes. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You should overreact to everything. Oh my goodness, the camera went backwards. I'm so dizzy.
Wait, what? Can you stop overreacting?
I'm not overreacting. Yeah, I'm overreacting. Okay, right. See, last time I just waited for everybody else to do the work. This time,
you're going to do the work.
Yeah, well.
Yeah. I'm just going to use the eaters and try and get.
Let's be all the way there.
Yeah, I am unlucky. I have no luck. I am terrible.
Oh, I just messed that up badly. Alright, so hopefully I can get there quickly.
I thought you were only going to be reacting. Overreacting.
Yeah, it's like, oh no, I fell down 50,000 miles. Right, okay, so that's okay. Which way? That way is safe. Ah, right, so we know that's
friendship. The power of friendship. Wait,
see the true journey of the friends you made along the way. I'm getting yeeted. Right, okay.
Not getting yeeted.
Oh, what? Oh, what? That was a true reaction then. I was like, can't believe I fell then. Right, come on.
Please.
Yeah, we're nearly at...
You might not make it.
Oh, look where I was.
Are you going to overreact, Brett?
No! Ah!
Alright,
I'm out! This game sucks,
Alright, guys, street over.
Yeah. No!
Alright,
No! I can't believe that! I can't believe it! This game sucks, man! It sucks!
Maybe you can overreact when I do it. So
okay, try to do a commentary on yours.
Please just don't make it too annoying.
I'll try not to. I'll try not to. Oh my god, I'm so dizzy, man. I'm so dizzy. Just stop the camera.
Why?
Okay, I'm so dizzy.
Why are you so dizzy?
Okay, let's get to zone time. Get zone, then you're out the zone. You're out the zone, you glitch through the floor. There we go. Stay on there, stay on there. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ah, the fan got you.
15 years later.
19. Oh, nice. That's good.
I'm good.
If you can stay on there, that'd be handy. But the fan will get you off. But
eventually. Eventually.
Oh, if you can get back up on that, that's a really good strat, to be honest. Didn't think of that. Oh.
Wait, I just do this over and over.
You could. Oh, 86, nearly. 87, 88, oh, 92.
Fine, I'll glitch.
Oh,
I
you
did it on
like
purpose.
Sure. Okay. If you can stay nose, you're fine. Oh, go on. You made it.
Easy.
Well done. Well done.
Easy.
Well done.
Are you going to overreact it?
Go for him.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
yeah. Okay, dun 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 dun. I'm swinging! Oh my god, I'm swinging! Oh no, I fell over! It's the end of the world!
That's not even you!
The physics on this game sucks, man. The frame rate is rubbish.
Did you commentate me?
Yeah. I didn't commentate you, I was supporting you, to be fair.
Thank you.
I was being a supportive uncle.
Yeah, you're a good uncle.
I am.
Whoa, we actually...
Checks in the post.
It doesn't show it. Alright guys, stream though, this time. We are not ending it now!
So you end it just as you get thrown out. Just, oh, no.
You
It's
win.
3 as well. Oh, our 3 and fans. There you go, so it's the extreme version.
No, it's the Omega version.
Good luck.
Can you please don't say that?
Don't get knocked out.
I am not.
So the question is, what butt you're following? You're not following anybody's butt at the moment, are you? They're all...
I don't like bear butts.
You're not their butts.
Because they could just target you. Literally, they can hit you when you're following a butt. What if there's one? Oh, literally just follow the butt. It's a weird butt.
Yeah.
It's the butt that has a name on it.
Oh, good save.
I got hit by a rhino's butt. Like, I actually did, it's true. When I played this, am I free? No, I'm not. These guys literally... I need days off!
Oh, no. Unlucky.
Can you
Can you quit now? Yeah, quit. I won a show, I'm so happy. I didn't want a show. I just won a round.
What do you think about not wanting a show?
It's life. This is what happens. So, yeah. No, yeah, see, all the challenges are sort of done for today for me, really.
Yeah, I've done all mine. Can we just check how long we've been streaming for?
Yeah. Oh. Ah!
Ah!
It's alright. I quit by mistake. Yeah, an hour and 50 minutes. Do you want to wrap this up in a minute? Are you in the mood for wrapping it up?
Yeah.
Yeah?
So...
Okay, cool. Well, until next time, guys. We're not sure what we'll be streaming or when we'll be streaming. But, yeah, you know, you can join us next time.
Bye.
And in the meantime, add me on
And me.
yeah, I'm Elmo I'm Elmo5242 on Elite and on PSN, and your Sans0607 on Elite if you want to play Fall Guys. But yeah, until next time, bye bye.
On PSI.
So until next time, goodbye.
Bye.